Greetings and welcome to today's market update by Forex Hub International. Let's begin by taking a look at the major markets across the globe. Starting with Asia, the Hang Seng is up 1.37%, closing at 17,660.02. In contrast, Australia's S&P/ASX 200 is slightly down by 0.11%, trading at 8,132.30. As the Bank of Japan is expected to keep its key rate unchanged this week, markets are positioning for the central bank's next move in December, according to surveys by major economists. Over to Europe, Germany's DAX is showing a modest rise of 0.50%, trading at 18,726.08, while the FTSE 100 gained 0.38% to close at 8,309.86. The European markets are largely driven by expectations surrounding the Fed decision, with markets awaiting further clarification on the scale of rate cuts. In the U.S., markets are relatively stable, with the S&P 500 up 0.03%, while the Dow Jones slightly dipped by 0.04%, closing at 41,606.18. The S&P 500's recent 7-day rally, which has left stocks vulnerable, could face challenges if the Fed's rate cut disappoints. Currently, there is a 61% chance of a 50 basis point cut, but a smaller 25 basis point reduction could trigger volatility in both equities and bonds. On the Forex front, the euro-dollar is up 0.06%, currently trading at 1.1119, while the dollar-yen is down by 0.74%, sitting at 141.34. The yen is particularly sensitive to the Fed's decision, with analysts predicting significant moves if the Fed opts for a larger cut. The pound-dollar is relatively flat, down just 0.02%, trading at 1.3155. Moving on to commodities, gold is flat, trading at 2,592.50, while silver has fallen by 0.71%, priced at 30.758. Gold remains steady as investors brace for the Fed's decision, with expectations of a 50 basis point cut driving market sentiment. Now, turning to today's key economic event, all eyes are on the U.S. Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, set to be released at 1800 GMT. With an unusually high level of uncertainty surrounding this decision, markets across the globe could see significant movement based on the outcome. A 50 basis point cut could spark a rally, while a smaller 25 basis point cut might lead to a sell-off in bonds and currency volatility, particularly in the dollar-yen pair. That's your quick market update for today. Stay tuned for more insights in our upcoming updates.